the world's most secret military tech. Could these weapons change warfare forever? Military technology is advancing faster than ever. AI drones, autonomous tanks, and cyber weapons are already in testing. Stay tuned as we reveal what governments don't want you to see. The secret military tech that could change warfare forever. Military technology is advancing faster than ever. These tools don't just change how wars are fought, they could change the balance of power globally. In this video, we'll show you the top secret military technologies and explain their impact on global security, economics, and diplomacy. First secret military tech. AI drones can detect, track, and attack targets without human input. Some operate in swarms, coordinating attacks autonomously. Countries like the US, China, and Israel are investing heavily in these systems. Imagine hundreds of drones scanning a battlefield, selecting targets, and executing strikes faster than any human could react. Historically, drones began as simple surveillance tools in the early 2000s. Today, they are lethal combat machines capable of complex operations. Ethical concerns rise as a lie decides life and scenarios without human oversight. Autonomous tanks and combat robots detect threats and engage without human drivers. Artificial intelligence-powered robots are being tested for scouting and direct combat. Compared to traditional tanks, autonomous tanks have artificial intelligence navigation, advanced sensors, and rapid response targeting. A single autonomous tank can cost up to $8 million, reducing the risk to human soldiers while increasing battlefield efficiency. Autonomous tanks can patrol borders effectively. Cyber warfare and military artificial intelligence. AI-powered cyber weapons can disrupt enemy communications, disable critical infrastructure, and manipulate battlefield networks silently. Real-world examples include Stuxnet, which sabotaged nuclear facility, and modern AI-driven attacks that can paralyze an entire military network in minutes. The future of cyber warfare involves autonomous systems making decisions without human input. The last but not the least, secret military technology are future weapons and drone swarms. Drone swarms are the next evolution of military technology. They can overwhelm defenses, scout enemy positions, and coordinate attacks automatically. Military engineers are testing mixed fleets of aerial, land, and sea drones working as a networked system. These technologies could redefine the battlefield, making human soldiers less central in combat scenarios. These secret military technologies are already shaping the future of warfare. Artificial intelligent drones, autonomous tanks, cyber and drone swarms could redefine global security. Which one of these secret military technologies do you consider as the most dangerous military technology? Type your comment below in the comment section. Enjoyed the story? Like the video and subscribe to Global War Narratives to stay tuned for more.